Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to do KDP niche research using Creative Fabrica, and I will validate these niches on Amazon. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. So with that being said, let's get started. We are on Creative Fabrica now. If you are not familiar with Creative Fabrica, this is, for my opinion, the best site for print on demand. It doesn't matter if you are doing KDP, if you are doing merch, or if you are publishing printables on Etsy. As you can see, they've got almost 100,000 fonts, around 5 million graphics. They also have print on demand sections. Let's open this. Here you can find graphics, fonts, everything that you can use without modifying. Also, you can subscribe for free, and they've got freebie section, and also they have daily gifts. I think 3 gifts every single day. And also they are still running their $1 promotion. You can get Creative Fabrica just for $1 for 1 month, full access. And if you decided to renew, it's going to be just $19 with 35% discount, and you can cancel anytime. Just to let you know, if you're decided to unsubscribe, you can't use those graphics anymore. So let's search for niches. We are on a main page, and we can do niche research just browsing the first, second, third page. Let's try to find some. You can see dinosaurs. I will open a notepad and I will type dinosaurs. So what else? Celestian. I don't know if this is niche, but let's check this. Celestial, not Celestian, Celestial. Zebra. Vintage 80s and 90s. This could be a niche. Mystical. This is Halloween. And also we can open bundles, and in these bundles we can research for a lot of niches. I will show you just after a few seconds. So reading books, it could be reading workbook or book review journal. Baby animals. Let's type baby animals. B. What else? Dogs is too broad. We should niche down. Let's type puppies. Okay, puppies. What else? Baby dinosaurs. Baby turtle. Turtle also could be a niche. Turtle. Exotic birds. Exotic birds. Father's Day, it's a huge niche, but you should also niche down because it's too broad. 4th of July as well. And you can see here, if you are doing some type of coloring books, this bundle, it's a mega bundle with 1000 coloring pages. And if you scroll down, you can see you can download these pages if you have subscription or if you are using $1 plan. But if you cancel, you can't use them. So let's continue. Sunflower could be a niche. Nordic animals, let's say Nordic. Positive quotes. And if you're creating coloring book with positive quotes, you can use this bundle and you can put the quotes on the top of the coloring pages. So what else? Paradise. Mega KDP interior design. I will open this for later, because we can spy on these interiors and we can try to find niches. Celestial as well. What else? Retro school or just school, but retro school is a little bit niche down. Probably this is very popular niche. What else? We're going to scroll just on the first page, and after this, Alice, we can't use this because it's trademark. We're going to be banned. What else? Mothers and children, Hollywood vintage collection. I also not going to do this one because Hollywood is probably trademark. So what else? Butterfly. B, we've got B. Would want animals. You can see just from the first page we've got more than 10 niches, but after that we should validate them in Amazon. Western Moon. This font is very nice. I will download this and I will upload this font on Canva. What else? Watermelon. Farmhouse. Dogs. Hippie. Hippie probably it's a good niche. So hippie. Giraffe. Wild animals or African animals. Let's type wild animals and also Africa. African animals, African coloring book. Steampunk. But we need to validate that these niches are free to use. We need to go and search for trademarks when we start creating a book. So see hippo. Hippo is probably a niche. This is animal related. Cats. Mega KDP interior bundle. I will open this as well. Massive collection of fonts. You can see 250 plus fonts. Baby boy and girl animals. This font is also very nice. A lemonade or citrus fruits, or let's say lemons. What else? Magical. This is lemons. This magical is going to be here. Magical. Spicy chicken. I think this is enough because it's going to open more and more and more. Let me show you another way. We can go or KDP Interiors and we can start browsing and typing different type of niches. We can open those bundles and start spying on bundles. Let me show you. 263 KDP interior bundle, and from here we can start. This is niche, this is niche, this is 263 niches, and we can start validate them on Amazon. This is the second bundle, it's the same. Here is a list of niches and we can start typing them on Amazon. Let's say grid paper or dot paper, or what else? Christmas wine journal, password workbook, guitar tab, social media, workout. Let's say workout planner. I'm going to Amazon and type workout planner. Workout planner and journal. As you can see, Amazon auto-populate this, and this means the customers, they are searching for this topic. Let's wait few more seconds to self-publishing Titan stats, and we can see if this niche is good for us or not. And we can do this for these niches as well. I will go and validate all these niches. Woodland animals. Let's check this one. I will open new tab and I will paste this here. You can see how many suggestions we have for woodland animals. We've got baby shower, we've got animal birthday, we've got balloons, woodland animal balloons decoration, but this is not our niche. We can create woodland animal balloon pattern design, and after that we can put this design on baby shower, or let's say woodland animals baby shower. And let's check this niche. It's 5,000 results. It's not too good, but we can see this here. 49 niche score for me is good. 2,543 results, it's also good, and 48,000 average BSR rank, which means this niche is profitable. Let's scroll and check if there are books with good BSR rank. This one is not paperback. Fitness planner with very good BSR rank. This book is making around 720 and 887 estimate sales per month. This one is not paperback, but it's also with very good BSR rank. This is not what we are searching for. Fitness journal, very good BSR rank. This one also. This is paperback with very good BSR rank and with swearing quote on the top, so we can create similar books. I think this niche is going to be good for us, so let's dive deep. Workout planner journal for woman. So you can see that workout planner journal for woman is even better with 53 niche score, 2092 competitive products, and around 32,000 BSR rank. Let's scroll and check the books. The problem is that it's not a lot paperback books, but we need to outrank them. Fitness journal, the BSR rank is very good. This is the same like the previous one. The most of the books are spiral bound and not too many paperbacks. The same book as well. Let's open this and see the interior. If we can see the interior, because with the new rules, when we tick low content publishing, we don't have look inside feature. But let's check this one. There you go. Let's scroll and see the interior. So this is the interior, weekly goals, measurements, breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's 2-page layout, I think. But we can spy on other books as well. We can also go on Creative Fabrica and type this search term. Let me grab this search term, workout planner. I will copy this. Let's go here, type this, and it's going to open all related planners. We can download them, spy on the interior. If the interior is print on demand, we can use these interiors without any changes, but I prefer to spy on the interiors. I will download few of them and I will grab elements from each one and I will create my own in Canva. But this is my approach, it's up to you. So let's see what happened with Woodland Animals Baby Shower. It's 39 niche score, 5,816 results. It's little bit on the highest end, and 45,000 BSR rank, which is very nice. and we can create, let's check if we can find paperback book to see the interior. Nope, nope, nope. Let's type guest book. I think baby shower guest book. It's going to be there you go. And now we can see just around between 1000 2000 results. Let's wait a few more seconds. I will check the interior. So this is paperback. The price is very good. This is also paperback. Let's open and check the measurements. So this one, it's 8.5 by 8.5. I will open the interior. And this one, let me scroll, 8.25 by 6. Let's open as well. And we can create this in Canva. There you go. This one is ready. Welcome page and guest advice for parents and wishes for baby. It's very easy to create. Actually, in my next videos we can create baby shower guest book, and we can also create fitness journal or planner. We can spy on the competitions, download interiors from Create Fabrica, and we're going to create them. Let's check this one as well. This is a little bit more complicated, but we can create this one as well. Guest name, my advice for your parents, relationships. It's with more questions. I think this one is better, and we're going to structure the questions in different way, and it's not going to be copycat. So let's recap. We can spy on the first page, find niches. After that, start typing these niches on Amazon and trying to validate them. And we can also spy on the bundle pages, see all the bundles, and start validate the interiors from those bundles. Let's put butterfly checking, and I will wrap up this video. We can create composition notebook around all the animals. Let's say butterfly composition notebook. There you go. Amazon auto-populate this. Butterfly composition notebook, 370 results. It's very good. Let's try. Let's wait for the statistic. There you go. The BSR rank, the average BSR rank is not too good, and the niche score is also very bad. But we can try to find, let's say, butterfly composition notebook college rule for girls. We can try to find good combination of keywords. It's 9000 results. Nope. Let's try without girls, or I can put butterfly in the other side, and I will try to find good niches with good keyword combinations. It's also not good. 10,000 results. Let's butterfly composition notebook college woman. But guys, you get the point. You finding those niches and try to validate them one by one and start searching for good combination of keywords to target on our title and subtitle. So this niche score is even worse. So butterfly composition notebook is not too good for us, but let's try composition notebook butterfly illustration. Let's try this one. This one is 422 competitive products, and anyway we can create composition notebooks in so many different areas, and even if we make 1-2 sales per month, it's going to be good for us, because if we had a lot of books, it's going to be good. So I'm going to wait for this one. The niche score is also not too good, and the BSR rank is too high, but anyway we can create butterfly patterns and we can put them on our composition notebooks, but we can put them in other planners that we can create it. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. All related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.